Airbnb hires former U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder. San Francisco stung by complaints of discrimination and racism among some of its hosts. Airbnb has hired former U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder to help it craft an anti-discrimination policy. The home rental company announced last month that it would review all aspects of its platform with an eye to fighting bias and discrimination. Critics have said that by creating a digital space that allowed individuals to rent out their homes and apartments, and more importantly pick and choose to whom they rent, Airbnb unwittingly enabled its hosts to act on their biases. Holder's hiring is part of Airbnb's efforts to deal with the problems that have arisen. He said he was looking forward to working with Airbnb to develop and implement what the company calls a world-class anti-discrimination policy. Airbnb is committed to building a community where everyone can belong, no matter who they are or what they look like. I'm eager to help them craft policies that will be the model for companies who share Airbnb's commitment to diversity and inclusion, he said in a statement. Holder was U.S. Attorney General from 2009 to 2015, during which he championed the civil rights of minorities and gays. He left a year ago and rejoined his former law firm, Covington & Burling. During his tenure he oversaw the parallel civil rights inquiry into the shooting of Michael Brown by Officer Darren Wilson in Ferguson, MO. During the inquiry his office issued written guidance to police across the country, identifying best practices to help police maintain public safety while safeguarding constitutional rights. In a post on Wednesday, Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky said Airbnb has an obligation to be honest about our own shortcomings, and do more to get our house in order. Chesky said one part of the process has been learning how to fight explicit racism and the implicit biases that can lead to discrimination. To that end, the company also engaged well-known anti-bias expert Robert Livingston of Harvard University to help it improve its unconscious bias training. Livingston said that after meeting with senior Airbnb staff, I've concluded that the organization has a sincere and profound interest in eliminating any and all discriminatory bias on its website, and is prepared to fight the problem using multiple tactics. The company has also created new staff positions that will work full-time to detect and address instances of discrimination, Chesky said. He acknowledged that Airbnb has been slow to address these issues and that while the company was begun with the best of intentions, but we weren't fully conscious of this issue when we designed the platform.